Hello everyone. Welcome back to Cybersecurity Advisor channel, the ultimate hub for cybersecurity knowledge. Ever considered the significance of securing your digital identity? Well, today our discussion revolves around the absolute necessity of two-factor authentication, popularly known as 2FA. If this is your first time with us, do hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay in the loop with fresh content. Now, without further ado, here are the top 7 reasons why you need 2FA in your life. First and foremost, enhanced security. 2FA introduces an additional safeguard, making it all the more difficult for cybercriminals to breach your accounts, even if they somehow get hold of your password. Following up, we have versatility across devices. Regardless of whether you're using a phone, tablet, or laptop, 2FA can be effortlessly integrated to protect your accounts on any gadget. The third reason is protection from phishing attacks. Even if you unintentionally divulge your password, 2FA ensures that your account remains secure. Fourth on the list, ease of use. The setup process for 2FA is simple and straightforward. Once established, accessing your accounts continues to be swift and convenient. Coming to number 5, we have reduced risk of fraud. Studies reveal that accounts fortified with 2FA are significantly less prone to compromise. Sixth, we have instant alerts. Get immediate notifications if an attempt is made to access your account. Finally, peace of mind. The assurance of having that extra layer of security truly makes a difference in your online interactions. And there we have it. 7 compelling reasons to incorporate two-factor authentication into your digital life. Keep in mind, securing your digital identity is not a one-off task, but a continuous practice. If you have any questions, or if you'd like to share your own experiences with 2FA, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Until next time, stay safe and secure.